Hello guys, welcome back to another product review. Here I have a gaming headset from Lenovo Legion. It is called H500 Pro 7.1 and it is the highest end gaming headset that is offered from Lenovo. So let's unbox this bad boy. As you can see here, it comes with a sophisticated and elegant outer cover. Now it is written here H500 Pro 7.1 headset, and this is a high-end gaming headset offered from Lenovo. Now we have to remove this thin cover also to get the box inside it. So the box inside also looks very elegant. Now there is a seal at the bottom. We have to remove that seal to open up the box. So like most advanced microphones or recording objects, when we open up the box we see a form on the top. Then there is user manuals and warranty booklet. Now here comes out the headset. It's completely dark color and there is also some metallic finish on the headband. So when we remove this cover, we can see some metallic texture on the top, neatly designed. Let me put back in for the moment. We will go into the details later in this video. So here is the headphone jack. Now there is also another connection options to a audio control box, which also extend the wiring connection capability of the headset. Audio control box has some buttons on the top. So there is a headphone jack port at the bottom, and you can also clip the audio control box to some things like your shirt or some other things. So this is the H500 Pro 7.1 headset from Lenovo. It has a metallic headband and there is foam cups. Also there is adjustable leather band. There is great metallic designs on the sides, and also there is a microphone that is retractable. The headband adjusts itself according to the size of the users. Like I said earlier, it is the most advanced gaming headset from Lenovo Legion, and you cannot get a more advanced gaming headset than this one. Now let's jump into the silent features of this gaming headset. One of them is being surround sound gaming headset. There are some other features as well written on the top of the headset package. I will read some of them and we will discuss these features one by one later in this video. Now the first one is, as we seen earlier, there is a self-adjusting headband design, driverless 7.1 surround sound, retractable noise cancelling mic, and fourth is memory foam and protein leather, and also there is advanced audio control box. If you look at the wires of this headset, it is completely wrapped with some strong material. Now I bought a new headset because my cat chewed off the wires of my old headset, so I had to buy a new one, and the wires of this new headset is looking very strong, and the headset is not that big. You can carry it anywhere and use it outdoor as well as indoor. So one of the silent feature is that it has a memory foam and protein leather. The right and left letters are marked on the ear cups, so you can easily identify it, which one goes to which side. Now the headband is easily adjustable or is self-adjusting type, giving a comfortable experience for a wide variety of users. The metallic part of the headband has some holes in it, so giving a gaming style to the headset. Now you can use it by plugging in directly the headphone jack to the laptop or any mobile phone or any device that you are intending to use it, and it will give a immersive experience. But if you want a more immersive experience, you can connect it to the audio box that gives a dual connection option. Now this audio box has a USB end, so you need a USB port to experience the surround sound and preset equalizer profiles that comes with it. Now let's connect the audio control box to the headphone jack and see the features of this audio control box. Now there are two buttons for the surround sound and preset equalizer profiles, and on one side there is option to mute and unmute the mic, and on the other side there is option to control the volume. Now once the headphone jack is connected to the audio control box, you can connect the USB to the USB port of your laptop or any other device. Now if you are watching movies and you want a surround sound experience, just click the 7.1 button of the audio control box and you will get a immersive surround sound experience. Now if you want some other profile, there is a EQ button and you can select the preset equalizer profiles among them, like sports, music or movies. Select whichever EQ pleases you more, or you can stick with 7.1 surround sound option. Now for immersive gaming also you can do the similar stuff. You can select the 7.1 surround sound, or you can choose any of the preset equalizer profiles. Now to tell you honestly, the gaming experience is very immersive using this headset. So if you are looking for a gaming headset, go for it. This is the best option. As you know earlier that the headphone comes with a noise cancelling microphone which is retractable, but the quality of the microphone is not that good. It picks up various noise from surrounding. Now if you want to use it for the gameplay recordings, you can adjust various filters and audio properties in software like OBS or any other recording software. I myself bought it for recording gameplays, but found that the microphone picks up various signals from the surroundings and the audio vocals are not that clear. But I adjusted the parameters in the OBS software, and after that the vocal recordings are very good and I can use it for audio recordings. Check the links in the video description to buy this headphone at a reasonable price. I have dropped the link in the video description. You can check out both Amazon and Flipkart and buy from whichever website that sells at cheap price. If you have any comments or suggestions about this video or want to upload any other product review video, please drop it down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give this video a like and share it with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel to watch the upcoming videos. Until next video, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.